Welcome back to our channel. The 2024-25 budget has introduced several key changes, and today, we'll give you insights on the revised budget changes and walk you through how to seamlessly implement these updates. Whether you want these changes to apply immediately or prefer to delay them, we've got you covered. First, let's quickly go over the revised tax slabs under the new regime. You can see the details on the screen. The standard deduction has also increased from 50,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees for the new tax regime. Additionally, NPS contributions have been enhanced from 10% to 14% of salary, applicable to new tax regime only. By default, the budget changes will automatically take effect from the August payroll. But what if you're not ready to apply these changes just yet? With greytHR, you have the flexibility to defer these changes. Here's how you can do it. Go to the payroll process page in your admin portal. Select August 2024 from the drop-down menu. You'll see a budget updates information note on the screen. Click Defer to September 2024 and then click Confirm if you want to delay the payroll changes until September. The payroll changes will now reflect the revised budget changes. Changed your mind? No problem. You can always revert to applying the budget changes from August. Simply select August from the drop-down menu and repeat the same actions to switch back. And that's it. Implementing the new budget changes on greytHR is as simple as that. If you found this guide helpful, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on how to make the most out of greytHR